Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the next video of class 5th subject science, in which we'll be discussing, as we all know, we are discussing air and water chapter. First of all, let me tell you, this chapter will not be there for the first assessment. This chapter will be for assessment 2. Our syllabus is 1 to 5 lesson only, so don't bother the lesson we are covering up for next assessment, right? As we have discussed in last video, lesson number 6, air and water, and we have seen how air and water, both the things are co-related with each other, and how air and water, both the things are very important for the life or for the human beings, we can say. Today we'll be discussing layers of atmosphere. As you can see the subtopic, layers of atmosphere. First of all, let me tell you what is atmosphere. Okay, we may heard this word many a times, atmosphere, okay, or maybe sometimes environment. So what is exactly atmosphere is we need to know first, and then we'll switch on to layers of atmosphere. Okay, so atmosphere is nothing but our earth, the planet earth on which we can live. As I told you in the previous video also, life is only exist on the earth planet. Life is only found on the earth because on the earth there are suitable conditions like air, water, and most of the important thing is land. Okay, all these things are very favorable in which living organisms can survive. So life is only exist on the planet called earth. So our earth is surrounded by the thick envelope of air, we can say. Okay, our earth is surrounded with the thick envelope of the air called atmosphere. Okay, so what is atmosphere? Thick layer of envelope. Okay, thick envelope of air, we can say. Thick envelope of air is called atmosphere. Okay, so in order to study the atmosphere, scientists have divided the layers of atmosphere into 5 layers. Okay, to study the atmosphere very well, scientists have divided this atmosphere into 5 main layers. So let us study which are these layers of atmosphere, and each layer contained what and what is the use of it and where they are located. Sequence wise we will study the layers of atmosphere. First of all, the first layer of atmosphere is troposphere. The first layer of atmosphere is troposphere. As you all know, it is the first layer of atmosphere, first of all, right? It is above the ground. Yeah, we all are living on the earth. We do all our activities on the ground itself. So above the ground, the first layer of atmosphere is troposphere. It is the first layer just above the ground, and we can see the aeroplane. Okay, the aeroplanes are flying in this layer. Okay, many times when we go to a roof, when we go to a balcony, sometimes we can see the aeroplane, helicopter. So these things we can see in this layer. Which layer? Troposphere. Okay, weather changes take place in this layer. Two things are important here. It is just above the ground. Okay, we can write here above the ground. Right? Weather changes take place here. Weather changes take place here means here you can say in this layer. Okay, so aeroplane flying in this layer, that is troposphere. It is just above the ground, and weather changes, rainy, okay, summer, windy, all this weather changes take place in the troposphere itself. Okay, this is the geographical part we can say. Science is combination of geography. Okay, science is a combination of physics, chemistry, biology, and science is also combination of the environmental studies as well. Okay, so these topics comes under geography especially layer of atmosphere. Okay, so that is these things are happening in the troposphere. Let us move on to the second layer of the atmosphere, that is stratosphere. Okay, I am going to rub this. Obviously, stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere, right? It is just above the troposphere. Okay, that two lines are very important while you are writing the answer in your examination. Okay, two lines are general and easy to remember. It is the second layer of the atmosphere, very common, and this layer just above the troposphere. Previous layer you should mention, and you have to make the sentence in this way. Your two sentences are ready. Now, what is exactly there in this atmosphere layer of atmosphere? So, in stratosphere, the ozone layer is found. The ozone layer, you know ozone layer? Ozone layer is the layer which absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. You never know, the ultraviolet rays from the suns are very dangerous. If they directly fall on us, we will be dead or we will be burnt. Okay, we all will be just vanished if direct ultraviolet rays of the sun will comes on us. But there is a layer called ozone which absorb the ultraviolet rays and filter these rays and provide to the human beings or all the living organisms which are living on the earth, which are not so harmful, which are good for our health actually. But the direct sun rays are very harmful, or they are very hot. They are hottest one we can say. They can harm our body. Even they can harm the entire living organisms which are living on the earth. So the main important thing which we can found in the stratosphere is the ozone layer absorb the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun and filter these rays and provide to the human beings or all the living organisms we can say. Okay, so it is the very important obviously because of the ozone layer. So you can mention here ozone layer. So ozone layer found in which atmosphere layer? Stratosphere. Okay, here what is important in this troposphere? First layer, weather change. Okay, weather change take place here. Weather change take place in troposphere, and in stratosphere ozone layer is found which absorb harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Moving on, the third layer of atmosphere, that is mesosphere. Okay, mesosphere. The third layer of atmosphere is mesosphere. Mesosphere is nothing but the third layer of the atmosphere. As I told you, the very common sentence is it is the third layer of the atmosphere. It is just above the stratosphere. Okay, these two sentences are compulsory. Now, this is the coldest among all the atmospheric layer. This is the coldest layer of all atmosphere. Coldest layer, you can see. This is the coldest layer of all the atmospheric layer. Okay, in comparison of all the layers, it is the coldest layer we can say. Okay, that is only thing to remember about mesosphere. Okay, this layer is the third layer of the atmosphere, and it is found the coldest layer among all the atmospheric layer we can say. Meteors are the rocks from other space enter the earth atmosphere. So meteors you can found on this earth. We can also say the shining stars or shooting stars. The shooting stars which we can see are present in the mesosphere. Okay. Number 4, thermosphere. The fourth layer of the atmosphere is thermosphere. Thermosphere. It is the fourth layer of the atmosphere first of all. Okay, this is the general statement. It is just above the mesosphere, fourth layer of the atmosphere, just above the mesosphere, and we can say space shuttles fly in this layer. Space, here starting the space. Okay, what we all heard about the space. Somebody went into space, scientists went into space to discover this, that. So space is found here in this layer, okay, which is thermosphere. So space shuttles fly in this layer, and it is the fourth layer of the atmosphere. That's it. Nothing to remember for this. Space shuttles fly. All these things are very important. Troposphere, weather changes take place. Stratosphere, ozone layer is found in this layer. Mesosphere, coldest layer of all the layers. And in thermosphere, space shuttles fly. Okay. And last layer of the atmosphere is exosphere. Okay. The last layer of the atmosphere is exosphere. As the name itself indicates, exosphere, okay, the topmost layer of the atmosphere, right? The topmost layer of the atmosphere, uppermost layer of the atmosphere, and there is no air beyond this. The very important statement is there is no air beyond this. Beyond the exosphere, air will not be there. That's why people, the scientists, okay, astronaut used to take the oxygen cylinder with them. Why? There is no air in the space. So the uppermost layer of the atmosphere is exosphere, where beyond there is no air at all. Okay, so it is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere, and beyond this there is no air. That is only there. Okay, there is no air beyond this. There is no air beyond this. That's it. So these are the layers of atmosphere. First, troposphere, weather changes are take place in this layer. Second, stratosphere, ozone layer is found in the second layer of the atmosphere. Third, mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere, which is the very coldest layer from all the layers. Number 4, thermosphere. Space shuttles fly in this air, and number last is exosphere, in which there is no air beyond this layer. Okay, I hope you all are clear with all this layer of the atmosphere. That's it for today. That's all for today. In the next video, we'll see the next further topic of the lesson. Okay, till then, thank you and have a nice day.